Don Lemon is suing Elon Musk and X for cancelling a stock show without they informing him. According to the lawsuit, Don Lemon is saying that Elon Musk and then the X executive cancelled a stock show without telling him. I mean, some time back, Elon Musk actually messaged Don Lemon. He didn't message him, he tweeted saying that has he considered doing a stock show on the X handle. I mean, after the back and forth, after everything, talking to him, poaching him to actually do a stock show on the X handle, now they've cancelled it without even informing him. He's saying that, Don Lemon is saying that he doesn't understand why they're supposed to do that particular thing. So, he has filed a lawsuit against them. Stay glued to this channel because I'll be bringing you more tech news. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.